Hey everyone, it's MOJO Player, also known as the Bear 1991. Today I got a package in the mail. This is from Mike Silva from sportscardforum.com. It's my prize from being 5th place in the July Video of the Month contest. I finally just got it today, and I can't wait to rip it. Alright. I would like to say thank you to sportscardforum.com for giving me this opportunity to enter in their contest, and I would like to thank everyone because I won a prize in helping me vote by helping voting me into the top 5. Alright, what I have won here is a box of 2009 press packs, special edition. One auto or jersey card per pack. I've never opened anything like this up before that had anything in every pack, so I can't wait. I've been waiting for a long time for this. Thank you, Mike, for getting these out as quickly as you possibly could. I know you're a very busy guy. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This just made my day because about 20 minutes ago, we had a big windstorm here, and my mom left up our umbrella on our table, glass picnic table, and it blew over and completely shattered our table. So we're down a $300 picnic table. Ooh, baby. Wow. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, let's start. Come on, Mark Sanchez, auto. Alright. James Davis, Alfonso Smith, Matt Stafford, class of 09. Pat White, rookie, in our first hit. Mike Goodson, auto. Looks like to be an emerald. Ooh, it's number 25. Ooh, yay. That's nice. That's the first nice hit. I don't know who he is, but that works for a hit for me. Okay. Brandon Tate. Rayma Ulaga. That's our next hit over there. Darius Hayward-Bay. Matt Stafford. Gartrell Johnson. Not a very good hit right there, but take it. I just want one big name auto. That's all I want. I could care less who else I get, but DJ Moore, Cedric Pierman, Crabtree, Jerry Macklin double feature, Jeremiah Johnson, Brandon Tate auto. Not numbered. I think he went to the Patriots, as a matter of fact. Alright, Jared Dillard, Everett Brown, Josh Freeman, Graham Harrell, Brian Rubinski, Mike Goodson, Stephen McGee, game day jersey, not numbered. Texas A&M. Jared Cook, Victor Davis, Hayward-Bay, McCoy, Crabtree. Whoa! My God, look at that patch. Oh man, it's number 25 of Josh Freeman. Whoa! I have not gotten a patch like that before, really. Game used, premium swatch, 17 of 25. That's a nice hit right there. Woo! Yay. Okay, that's not bad. I originally thought the Jets were going to get him, but they got Sanchez, so I was good with that as well. I didn't care who we got as long as it was a good QB. Archipel, Bet Wells, Sean Green, Quan Cosby auto. He's like the nephew of Bill Cosby. Not bad. BJ Raji, I love that name. Rayma Ulaga, Sean Green, Javon Ringer. Derek Williams, game day jersey on the Lions, single color, number 299. Josh Freeman, Jeremy Macklin. That one's Sanchez yet. Ian Johnson, Mike Thomas, Percy Harvin, Javon Ringer, James Casey. This is like a normal auto. Wow. Not numbered. He's on the Texans, I know. Oops. I got like 4 packs left. I love a free box, don't you? Okay. Vontae Davis, Aaron Curry, that... Oh, shit, yeah! Oh, pardon my language. No Sean Marino red ink auto, number to 199. Oh, my God, yes! Oh, yeah. And it's red ink. Oh, I wonder what that's number 2. My God! Whew! Oh, baby. Yes, that's the hit of the box so far. Yes! Oh, man! Please excuse my language for a second there. Wow. Ooh, I haven't been that happy since I pulled that Stafford auto number to 25 on my first box break. Ooh. Aaron Maben, Pettigrew, another Marino. Donald Brown. Oops. That wasn't supposed to go over there. Graham Hale, auto. I don't even know what team he's on now. But a new Sean Marino autograph. Whew. Okay. James Laurinaitis, Pat White, Adrian Foster, silver auto, number to 199. Don't know who he is. Graham Harrell, Hakeem next. No, not one Sanchez. This is not good. Aaron Curry, Hayward Bay, William Moore, number to 150. I don't know who he is really, but that's it. Ramses Barden, Andre Brown. Alright, that about wraps it up for this box break, but oh boy, isn't that a beauty. That's going to be hitting eBay. Alright, thank you for watching. Peace out.